We are back. It is install day for the truck. Super pumped. We got the SMB going in. We're just getting ready to get started. Already got the negative positive on that side. Negative positive on this side disconnected. Said to leave that disconnected for 2 hours minimum. So we're going to get started on this. Grab your drink of choice. That's mine. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through all. This guy flipped around. I'm not gonna go through all these steps like in super duper detail. I'm probably gonna be like most of you guys and going off of the video on my phone. I just took a screen video of it, so I didn't have to go back to the website. Kind of sucks they don't give you paper instructions anymore, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'll probably be referring to that video a little bit, but it's pretty straightforward. Take this guy off, take the top out, take the bottom out, take this little saddle bracket out, and then drop all that stuff in. So alrighty, let's get going. Alright, so got you guys in a spot where you can probably see me. Really good to see the install. So, same like most of you guys. Going off of the video too, since I don't give you paper ones. So, alright, now just gotta skip the time lapse deal. So now we got the said to take the intake hose off. So these are loose. This is loose. This guy, bad boy. That's off there. Sweet. All right. Next step.
During the lid of the intake box, and then you can remove it.
So to take these guys off here. Move it. We'll take that guy out next. I'm assuming. Set that guy up there.
Remove the stock air filter. Remove this push rivet securing the front inlet, and then set it aside because you're going to reuse it later. Now you can wiggle the front inlet out of the vehicle.
Move this guy out here. Gonna reuse that guy. Okay, doing good, guys. Dang! Hold on. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that guy. Check him out. Showing in that box. It's dirty in there. Alrighty, let's keep rolling. Check that guy out. Phew. Alrighty, let's keep rolling. Alright guys, after you take out the tube, the front piece, and that hose, you save that little clip too. You're going to take out that guy right there. Let's do that now. Right. Got that screw out, so now it says you're going to rock side to side and get her out. Alright, so after a little, definitely a little prodding and pulling, these side grommets aren't too bad. They're just actually little saddles. But this bottom grommet is definitely in there pretty tight. That guy right there is in that bottom grommet pretty tight. So don't be afraid to pull it really hard. Set those guys aside. So then we're going to see what step is next. Alright, Got those two. You can see those two out. That guy and that guy. This guy, you're going to want to use the, zoom out here. There we go. Use a 1/2 inch box end wrench. Leave it kind of loose. And I think we're going to drop the box in. So, I think we're going to drop that guy in now. See what I did mine too, guys? I prepped mine last night, got everything on the box before I even do anything today. So all the brackets, I already put all those in. That way it's ready to go. So this guy is this way. That's all bad. Alright guys, so once you get this down in here, you're going to hear this grommet right here. You'll kind of hear it seat. This might be in the way a little bit of your rubber seal. Mine was. That's why they have you bend it. And then right down there, you'll see here, just lines up with that hole. So that's what it should look like so far. And I think we're going to do the tube next. Let's see.
Now you want to make sure that these two holes line up with the bracket in the back, and this one lines up with the threaded hole in the fender, and then make sure this bracket lines up as well. Using one of the bolts that you removed earlier, secure the airbox to...
Okay, simple enough. So then you're going to take this guy that we removed earlier, and that guy's going to go right in there, and imagine we're going to put the other two in there. Let's do it. Alright, so I got those pretty tight. That guy pretty tight right there. Now, get this guy in. I took some tape, like the video, and I put some Scotch tape on it, so that way I don't lose it when it goes down in there. Alright, so I got this all tightened up. These three. Yeah, with that I put the tape on it. I'm going to need a longer extension to get down in there, but the next step is the tube. So now, you want to take your T20 Torx. This is what fit these. We're going to take this mass airflow sensor out. Then we're going to transfer it to this guy using the gaskets. Pull that guy out. So there's an arrow on this guy. You want the arrow facing the tube side that goes into the intake. So let's get it in there. Oh yeah, you're going to put the gaskets on and then ready to go. Alrighty, completed a few steps. Got the coupler on. Made sure these guys were out of the way of your hoses. That's on nice and tight. Already got the filter on. It's not hitting anything down here. Got that guy snugged up finally. So, filter on. Alright, I forgot to show you guys a step. This guy goes on. Included little rivets here. Just push them together. Holds that on. And then you take the one that you took out. Got down in there, good to go. Now we do the lid. All right. Everybody's favorite part. Box plug, we didn't use that. Everybody's favorite part. The clear lid. Come on, Betty. We'll do the other side. Put the rubber piece on. Back to everybody's favorite part. Try to hold on the edges there. Sweet. Now, just cut off a little bit. Go. Gas goes on. Alrighty, got the lid all in. Just takes some kind of finagling to get it in there. It is a tight fit, which is really good. That's what you want. Good seal all the way around. And you just pull it up. This tab when you want to take it back out. I think that's about it. Yeah, it's all dirty already. Who cares, guy? Push it right in there. Push that little red tab in. That's good to go. And you take this guy, push it right into there. Come on. There we go. I think that is the install, guys. I'm gonna check everything. That's all tight down there. Probably take and run a zip tie on these. That's all tight. That's tight. Up here's tight. This is not anything good. This guy cleared really good. Bent it up. Super simple install, guys. Really, really easy. So good there. Good there. That's reconnected. We just got to reconnect the batteries. All right, guys. Wraps up the install. Everything's good. Decided to put my sticker right there. Now it looks pretty cool. So next, we're gonna get you guys some sound bites. Still have the stock air intake in here. So that's like 25 miles an hour. So cruising down the road, doing about 45. This is the before sound, and then we'll do another run tomorrow when I get the intake installed. But here's nothing going, you guys can hear it. But here we're about to do a good pull doing 70. It's pretty quiet, like I say. You can't hear it, and gonna give her some throttle. So ain't too much difference. It's not deleted, but I think there's a bit more noise in the cab, very slightly, but I think it sounds better. It's probably obviously breathing. Alright guys, speed test got kind of cut short there. My battery was dying, but you guys get the gist. Is there a huge noise difference? No, not at all. But ease of install, it's really good. Super easy. Every part was there. Every bolt, everything fit nice and snug, so that's always good. This is my third S&B air intake. They are really good. I like them. They're good company. So yeah, that's it. Sounds good. Say it ain't much, but it's probably the only thing I'll do to the truck short of deleting it, which don't know yet. Maybe not. We'll have to see. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully one of the next vids will be wheels and tires, so we shall see. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, comment, let me know if you've got the S&B and how you like it, and yeah, we'll see you guys next one. Later.